Hi students in Ms. Shaw Soleil's class. It's Anne here, your fellow seed learner, and Ms. Shaw Soleil told me about the corn that we're gonna pop, and I said, well, I was gonna try to pop mine in a microwave. And so I just want you to see that I had a piece of corn that looked just like yours, and I took all of the kernels off it. And now I don't know if you can see, but they're in this bowl. And what I'm going to do now is the instructions say for me to take a paper bag and put the kernels in the paper bag. So I've done that. And then I'm just going to close up the paper bag and put it in my microwave. But then a very important part of this is that they tell you to take a dish and put a little water in it. So I filled my dish partway with water. And that's because the water will absorb a lot of the heat of the microwave, and it will keep the paper bag from burning. An important thing to know. So I put them both in. Can you get it? And now it says cook them for 3 to 5 minutes. So I stopped it, and I'm gonna reset my microwave because I'm gonna set it on the high setting for 3 to 5 minutes. And what the instructions say to do is to just let it run, let it cook until, and you'll hear the kernels pop, 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 popping fast. And then once they start to slow down, that's when you should turn off your microwave. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm going to set my microwave for 5 minutes on high. Yes, it's on high, and I'm going to start it. And I'm not going to make you sit here and watch it the whole time, but it would probably be good for you to start to hear it popping. It does seem to be taking a while. It's been about a minute. I can't remember exactly how long it took Ms. Shaw Soleil's popcorn to start popping in the oil in her pan, but I think it was quite a while. That's about 2 minutes. It's 2.5. It's starting to pop. Well, one kernel popped. That's 3, 4. Okay, you get the idea. I'm gonna just let it, I'm gonna turn off the camera now and let it pop, and then I'll show you what it's like afterward. Okay, so it actually took a little longer, so I had to set my, give my microwave 2 more minutes, and then it went another 1.5 minutes. And now I'll show you. A lot of the water in the bowl evaporated, so it's going to be very hot, so I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to be sure not to touch it. In fact, you might want to have an adult take it out of the microwave for you. And here's my bag of popcorn. And it was good that when you do it, don't roll it down too tight, because you want to leave room for your popcorn to pop. And now I'm going to pour it out of my bag. And let's see what we get. Wow, look at that. That looks wonderful. And that's all there is to it. We're going to salt it and eat it. Yum! See you soon, kids.